right?
No, Carol, some feel a change in policy won't prevent another school shooting, but Dick's Sporting Goods said thoughts and prayers just simply aren't enough. The company called gun violence an epidemic, and curbing gun sales, they think, could cure the trend.
If you want to buy a gun like this, you can't buy it here.
It's an action. It's not a description of a firearm.
Jim Brazil says there's no such thing as an assault weapon, but that's exactly what Dick's Sporting Goods announced it will never sell again. Assault-style rifles, bump stocks, and high-capacity magazines.
The capacity of the magazine is by design, okay? So if you say high capacity, compared to what?
Both Dick's and Walmart won't sell firearms to anyone under the age of 21.
That is nothing but a store policy. If, federal government tells us, the age that we can legally sell a firearm to.
At least 18 birthdays have to go by.
You have a right to protect yourself, you have a right to vote, you have a right to go into the military and protect this country as an 18-year-old.
Before you can legally purchase a firearm.
You can say, you got to be 21, okay, to possess a to purchase a firearm. That's not keep them from possessing them.
I think it's a step in the right direction. At least somebody's doing something.
Christine Boisier supports corporately curbing weapon sales.
Is it going to solve everything? Absolutely not. It's just not going to. But at least they're trying.
Buying from Dick's and putting her money where her mouth is.
Now the legislators have just got to get on board. And, people need to speak up.
Still, opponents say enforcing laws already in effect, including mental health screenings and background checks, will trigger more change than gun control.
Passing additional laws, what's that going to change?
Walmart also announced it won't sell ammunition to anyone under 21. We asked other retailers if their gun sale policies would change. You can see their responses on WI.